Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to disable status persistence on Mega account. So first you're going to go to the Mega app. Then next you're going to click on the menu section. Then once you're here, you're going to click on settings. Then again you're going to click on chat. Then click on status. And as you can see, the status persistent option is turned on. You're going to turn it off. So it's not going to show your status appearance even when you disconnect. So as you can see, the auto away is almost 5 minutes. So that's how you basically do it. You guys could find this app on the Play Store or App Store. It's such a helpful app. Make sure to also check our other videos. We have different videos posting daily. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.